Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will discuss in brief about the national animal of India. So as we all know, national animal of India is the Royal Bengal tiger. So we all know India is almost home for 80% of tigers in the world. So this Royal Bengal tiger has been featured, like it's been printed on many Indian currency notes as well as on postage stamps. And the scientific name for this Royal Bengal tiger is Panthera tigris tigris. And if you look at the scientific classification of this Royal Bengal tiger, it belongs to the kingdom of Animalia. As we know, it's an animal, right? So it belongs to the kingdom of Animalia. And coming to the order, it's a carnivorous animal basically, and it's a mammal also. And the species under which this Royal Bengal tiger falls is Panthera tigris, and the subspecies is Panthera tigris tigris. Hence, just before when I told the scientific name, I told it as Panthera tigris tigris. And where do you find this Royal Bengal tiger? So this Royal Bengal tiger is found in grasslands and in dry scrublands, and also it is found in tropical and subtropical rainforest. It's also found in the mangroves, what we also call as Sundarbans, and also we find this Royal Bengal tigers in both wet and dry deciduous forest regions. And what is the lifespan of our Royal Bengal tiger? So basically, a Bengal tiger has an average lifespan of up to ranging in between 8 to 10 years in a wild region. Like when it is in forest, it can live up to 8 to 10 years. But the maximum lifespan is around 15 years. So it can go up to live up to 15 years. But very few tigers live up to 15 years because when they are in the forest, they have to spend their energy for hunting the other animals, so they lose so much of their energy and they become weak, and hence very few tigers reach up to 15 years. So the maximum lifespan is 15 years, but one has to remember that the average span, which is 8 to 10 years. But if you can captivate the Bengal tigers, like in captivity, for example, like if you put the you capture the tigers and put them in a zoo, or you raise them separately, then even it can live up to 18 to 20 years. So what we have to remember is, in captivity the lifespan is around 18 to 20 years, but when it is in wildlife, it is in between 8 to 10 years. And we will talk about the Project Tiger now. So to preserve the regality and the majestic animal, Royal Bengal tiger, this Project Tiger was initiated, which was in April 1973, and it was the inaugural director was Kailash Sankala. Actually, one has to remember that before Royal Bengal tiger was decided as the national animal of India in 1973, lion was the national animal for India. And from this Project Tiger itself, the national animal has changed to Royal Bengal tiger. So what does this Project Tiger talk about? It talks about protecting this species of tiger from extinction, also preserving the areas of biological importance because they're always a national heritage. And as I've told, the national animal was adopted as Royal Bengal tiger right from 1973 April. And in 1973, this Project Tiger was initiated, as I've told, to protect the population of tigers in India. And at that time, the Prime Minister was Indira Gandhi. So one has to remember that the animal was declared as national animal in 1973 during the Project Tiger, and also at that time, the Prime Minister was Indira Gandhi. And right now, at present in India, we have around 50 tiger reserve, which are governed and supervised by Project Tiger. This is all about Royal Bengal tiger. I hope you all understood the video, and thanks for watching.